Hey students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. So, today we will start a new topic, that is miscible and immiscible liquids. Understand this topic with the help of an activity. To perform this activity, we need some oil, milk, ink, and a glass of water. So you can clearly see that I have taken different types of liquids. No solid is there, no gas is there, only different types of liquids: oil, milk, ink, and water. Now what we have to do, we have to mix these liquids with each other and to identify which are miscible liquids and which are immiscible liquids. So now first of all, I have water and some milk. Water is also liquid and milk is also a liquid. Now I'm going to pour this milk in this water and I'll stir it with the help of a spoon. These liquids do not form any separate layer above the water, as they completely dissolve with each other. So these liquids are miscible liquids. Now I am going to take one similar example. Now I am going to add this ink in this water, as both are liquids, different type of liquids. So on adding ink in water, you can see that again there is no separate layer, and these two liquids, ink and water, dissolve with each other completely. So this is also an example of miscible liquids, ink and water. Now I have taken oil and water. Now I am going to pour this oil in this water, as we know that both are different types of liquids. Oil is also liquid and water is also liquid. But we can see that these two liquids, oil and water, doesn't completely dissolve in each other. So we call these liquids immiscible liquids, oil and water. You can see here a separate layer of oil. Water is there and oil is on the top of water. So this is an example of immiscible liquid. This is an example of immiscible liquid, as oil is floating over the water.